Hey y'all, you're watching Portie's Garage. Wanted to make a quick little video here introducing the latest project to the Portie's Garage fleet. 1963 Ford Falcon Futura Convertible. Let's check it out. Picked this up over the weekend, northern Michigan, and the reason I got it is this thing hasn't seen any salt in its life. Looked up the build details on it. It was ordered in North Carolina. See, it was last plated in South Carolina. And she's sturdy. We only found one little rust spot right here. Guessing this chrome trim got bumped and it rubbed through. But other than that, this thing is clean. Under the hood, we're looking at the original equipment here, which is your little straight six, and it looks like somebody has been trying to do some work on it. But that is of no concern to me because this baby is getting a new heart. Thinking 283 and a 5-speed, maybe a 302 if I'm feeling really crazy. But yeah, this old straight six is gonna go. We're gonna get some power out of this bird. It's definitely been repainted before in its life. We looked up the paint code and it's original, like some kind of champagne color. So it might be some of this silver, but whoever did it actually put in the work because they painted the underside of the hood, the door jambs, even down in here. But again, this baby's getting a new paint job, so I'm not too worried about that. Up here on the top, we've got a pretty rare option. It's the sunroof and convertible combo. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit of a hole in the top. I'm gonna have to address that. Windshield's good. No chips or cracks. It's got all the trim, everything that the Futura is supposed to come with. Also missing a back window, but that's no big deal. Inside, we got some spare partage. A couple grills, couple headlights, some wiring harnesses, some additional miscellaneous trim. Up in the front, we've got our missing tachometer, and it looks like some tune-up parts. I think someone was trying to get this running at some point. Looks like last registration, 1980, South Carolina. $500 reward. And then we've got, looks like college kid had it for a little while maybe. But again, just so clean. No rot, no nothing. We've got our tiny little factory spec wheels. Those aren't going to be sticking along for very long, especially once I get a new rear end in here. Bring this baby up to snuff. And I mean, just look at this trunk. Got a little bit of surface stress here, but this is solid as a rock. Comes with the spare too. No bubbling on the lips here. Nothing. Under the door, nice and clean. Nothing on the rockers either. This car is cherry. Doors, no sag, no nothing. It's just a clean, honest little old car. The cool part about these Falcons, they were the basis for the first-gen Mustangs, so a lot of those parts just bolt right on. That's essentially what I kind of want to do with this build, is turn it into the Mustang that it was always intended to be. Something like that. And that's going to do it. Just a quick little overview of the car. Got a lot of work to do, but it is windy and very cold out today, so I'm going to cut it short. Thanks for watching. Going to see a lot more content on this Falcon, so stay tuned.